Hello there and welcome back to Woodworker Express. Today we're going to be going over the Tresco Eurolinx LED lighting. The Tresco Eurolinx are awesome. This lighting is perfect for under cabinet lighting and even for inside your shelves and cabinets. Now they are available in warm and cool and come in 5 standard lengths. Now along with the 3-year warranty, these have 2 beam spread options depending on the orientation. Let me show you. So one side has the groove as you see here, and that is where the light is going to be spread more towards. So you could face it towards the front of the cabinet or towards the wall behind the cabinet. Your choice. Now let's talk about what comes in the box. So depending on the size that you purchase, anywhere from 7 3/4 all the way to 43 3/4, you will get one Tresco Eurolinx LED light. You will also get a bag of goodies. 2 C-clips, 3M sticky tape, and screws depending on the way you want to mount it, the 79-inch starter cord, and the back-to-back link connector. Now the back-to-back link connector is great, especially if you want to extend the length of your Eurolinx. So for the link connector, all you have to do is plug it into one side of your lighting, have a second light ready to go, plug it together to that, and that is all. Now, depending on how many lights you're going to be installing, you will need to buy a separate power supply to run these lights, based on wattage. We'll talk more about that in our next video. As always, thanks for watching, and if you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And don't forget to visit Woodworker.Express.com for all of your woodworking needs. Alright, so that power supply video I was talking about is the one on the right. Go ahead and click that and that'll tell you everything you need to know about the Tresco power supplies.